Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and the adapter name. Once you have them, inspect current DNS with ipconfig/all and take a quick note or screenshot. Now open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell and run ipconfig/flushdns to clear the local resolver cache. This prevents old entries from masking changes. Next, open the adapter's ip4 properties or prepare netch commands. We start applying a trusted static DNS right away so you can test immediately. You'll set DNS addresses directly to avoid DHCP overrides. First run, netch interface IP set DNS name equals Ethernet static 8. 8. 8. 8 to assign a primary server, replacing Ethernet with your adapter name. Once done, add a secondary with netch interface IP add DNS name equals Ethernet 8. 8. 4. 4 index equals 2 so queries fail over cleanly. After applying both, restart the DNS client service with net stop dnscache. Then you must verify resolution now. Run ipconfig/all to confirm the DNS addresses are set, then use enslookup example. Com to see which server answered. It should show your chosen IP. Test reachability with ping 8. 8. 8. 8 and open a website to confirm real-world lookups. If something goes wrong, make sure to revert by setting the adapter to obtain DNS automatically or restore the values from your screenshot. This rollback is the fastest troubleshooting tip to recover network access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.